Today's activity goes along with the book If You Take a Mouse to the Movies, and it's a fun graphic organizer that allows students to go ahead and plot out all of the different sequences of events in this circular story, emphasizing the fact that the events end up the same place where they began. Come along and let's check it out.
So what we're going to do is we're going to fill in our sequencing circular stories graphic organizer, and you can find this in the comments section of this video. Go ahead and print it off and you'll have it ready to go. So what we know about circular stories is that they end up the same place where they start. So it's kind of like going all the way around a circle. So where the book starts is the same place where it ends. The sequence of events kind of goes in a circle. So we're going to be taking a closer look at the book If You Take a Mouse to the Movies. And what we're going to do is we're going to be putting the events in the circle. And to make it more fun, what you can do, you might choose to do, instead of writing in the answers, you may want to choose to draw the events or the different things that happen in the story, trying to make it go all the way around the circle. So let's think about what the first thing was that happened in this story. If you take a mouse to the movies, do you remember where they were at first? Okay, so start off, if you take a mouse to the movies. So here they are at the movie theater. So maybe for this one, and again, I'm going to try to make this a little bit more interesting. Maybe I'm going to draw some of these. So please excuse my illustrations. You will quickly find out that I am not the art teacher, but that's okay because art is all about enjoying yourself and having fun with it, right? We're about to see my amazing art skills. So let's start off with maybe the movie theater, and maybe I'm just going to do something basic here to represent a movie theater, which is the movie screen. Maybe I'll put stick people in my movie. All right, so here we are at the movies. All right, and underneath I might write movie. Okay, so after the movie, he asks for what? Okay, yes, so at the movie he asks for popcorn. So I think that's the next thing that needs to go on our graphic organizer. So let's see if I can draw a piece of popcorn. It's kind of wavy there at the top and at the bottom. Sort of looks like popcorn. Use your imagination. So I will write popcorn underneath. You could say maybe that was the second thing. Do you remember what happens next? Okay, so he wanted to string it all together and put it on what? A Christmas tree. So in the third one here, maybe I can draw that Christmas tree. And I will write underneath Christmas tree. Okay, so far so good. Do you remember what the next thing he wanted was? We can always go back to the story if you have it, or you can go back to the video and watch it again in case you're not sure. Okay, yes, he wanted to build a snowman. So we can draw that snowman. A little carrot nose. And I can write snowman. Right? Do you remember what happened after the snowman? You can always look back at the story if we are not sure. So there's the snowman. He wanted to build a snow fort. So maybe I can sketch the fort here. So I'm going to draw quickly some of the blocks for the snow fort. I am sure your illustrations are going to be a lot more detailed and lovelier than mine. That's okay. I'm still having fun doing it. All right, so underneath I'm going to write fort. Okay, do you remember what happened next? Again, we're sequencing events. We're trying to go all the way around the circle. From the movie to the popcorn to the Christmas tree, the snowman, the fort. Oh, yes, he wanted to come inside, remember, and snuggle up on the couch. So maybe for my next circle, I'm going to draw the couch. We'll see what this looks like. All right. So here's something that sort of looks like a couch. So underneath, I'm going to write couch. Okay, and do you remember what happens next? Okay, so now he's snuggled up on the couch, and he wants to listen to Christmas carols. Oh, he wants some music. So maybe I can draw some musical notes here to represent the fact that he wanted to play Christmas carols. So we can say Christmas music is what he wanted next. Okay, and the Christmas carols makes him think of the Christmas tree and the ornaments on the tree. Okay, and we remember him thinking about the ornaments, which, again, thinking makes him realize that what is missing? The popcorn. Okay, so he's going to remember that the popcorn string is missing. So we're going to, in this box, we're going to draw maybe an ornament and another piece of popcorn, because remember, he was thinking about decorating the tree, Christmas decorations. So we can say decorations and popcorn. And that popcorn got him thinking about what? It gets him thinking about going to the movies. So if we look at our graphic organizers, let's see if we've made it all the way around that circle, starting at the movie, going to the popcorn, the Christmas tree, the snowman, the fort, inside for the couch, listening to Christmas music, thinking of the decorations, and thinking of popcorn to decorate, which then makes him want to go back to the movies. We did it. We made it all the way around the circle, and we've sequenced the events in this story. Again, I hope that you enjoyed this story, and I highly encourage you to go ahead and watch it again or read it again and have fun filling out your own graphic organizer. Happy reading and happy writing.